We all wanted the best camera features and we got them, but it costed everything. The Galaxy S11 Plus first look is here via on leaks, and oh god, oh dear god, this is a tank. Is this a phone? You're actually paying money for a camera and you're getting a phone with it. Look at the size of that thing, the biggest camera on a smartphone. Holy hell, it's packing so much. I mean, looking at the size of it, no wonder it has 100x zoom, 8K 30fps video recording. Now I know what I said in the previous videos and I still stand by that statement, but even by my optimistic standards, this is extreme. The flash looks really big and it's not centered. I mean, the whole camera layout is kind of random. We've got 5 cameras, 2 additional sensors. One of them is the laser autofocus, the other one we don't know about it yet. Guys, I have to agree, this is not a good design, but for some reason, this is making me even more excited. You see, Samsung is a smart company with one of the best smartphone designs out there. There has to be a solid reason why Samsung is doing this. It's very easy to criticize right now, but we have to wait and see what this camera can do. At least it's not as bad as the bathtub notch. If I can use that phone, then I can sure as hell use this tank. Now, just like the camera, the whole device itself is massive. We have a 6.9-inch OLED hole punch display with 120Hz refresh rate. Because it's such a big device, we're gonna see 5000 mAh plus battery on this phone for sure. The rest of the design elements are same as the S11 and the S11e. We don't have any headphone jack. There's also no big speaky. We only have the volume rocker and the power button. Now this confirms that there will be a Galaxy Note 11 coming later down the year because the unification did not happen. Most likely the Note 11 will come as well in the month of August of 2020. According to the current rumors, the S11 Plus will only come in the 5G variation, meaning there will be no 4G S11 Plus model. Again, all these decisions, there is a reason for that, and I'm excited for that particular reason. But let me know your thoughts about this. From S1 all the way to Galaxy S10, we have seen some really good designs, but now with the Galaxy S11 we're seeing birth of a new Samsung design philosophy, and I know a lot of you guys are not happy with it, but let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.